My name is Chris Bankston. I'm from Alabama, and I came to see you. I went to one of your seminars. I'd been having knee problems for many years, and it was getting worse. I was looking for an alternative to knee replacement, if at all possible. Came to your seminar. It really enlightened me and stirred my interest, and I went ahead and made an appointment and came up here to see you without any intent of having stem cells that day, but I ended up doing after we discussed it, and I felt very good about that, and I will say that it has helped.
That's fantastic. And that's been, how long ago was your treatment?
Toward the end of August of this year.
So 2 months ago?
About 2 months ago.
Okay. And how long did it take for you to start seeing a difference?
Probably about within a week.
Nice.
I had relief from the pain that I was experiencing, even in a relaxed state. When I was sitting in a chair, I had a tendency to have to throw my leg off the side of the recliner. Haven't had to do that as often since I've had the stem cells.
Wonderful.
And it hasn't awakened me at night like it had before. So that's two positive things.
Oh, for sure. Yeah, that's huge. Are you doing activities now you hadn't done before because of your knee? Or
I'm able to walk more without pain than I did before. I haven't really got into an exercise routine yet. I was going to try to follow y'all's plan and be careful with it the first couple of months.
Sure,
and
sure.
all, but I look forward to getting back in the gym and even maybe swimming and things like that at the gym. But it has not hampered me from anything I wanted to do, and I can do more things than I have been able to do in the past without the pain.
That's fantastic. That's great. So would you do the treatment again, and would you recommend it to anybody?
I would.
Yeah.
I would.
Yeah.
I surely would. I would do that. I believe wholeheartedly in it, and I believe, like we discussed, it's going to be the thing of the future if we can just get the word out.
Yeah, yeah. Well, I'm so excited for you. Thank you for coming.
My pleasure.
Yeah.
Thank you.